This is Al. So we've got the Jensen ready. We're going to use that chain hoist up there. Maybe I can show you guys a little bit. You see that rail, that big beam that runs across? We have a chain hoist that runs on that beam. So hopefully we should be able to use it to pull the engine out. The transmission's already on the table. So you see the transmission's right there. Just make sure you run it against the paper.
We have something for that. Is it?
I'm not sure we can say how it's
I'll be looking for this needle nose in 2 weeks. Sure. Is that enough to?
Well, oh, we got the engine.
Oh.
Freaking stuff. Oh,
You stepped dead center in it. We could set the transmission on the ground and put it up here. We could set the transmission on the ground and put it on there to take apart.
Oh, you want to do that?
I mean, we need to take the water pump and fuel pump and motor mount brackets and
I'll hold the back part.
oil shut off. This would be.
We can. You know what we can do, Vaughan?
Hmm.
I have an engine stand.
Oh, where?
Let's get the engine stand out.
Did I go? match them up to something.
Alright guys, we need to get some bolts so that we can put the engine on the stand. We're going to go and grab a bite to eat, get the bolts and come back. Alright, thanks very much. Hey guys. So we got the engine mounted on the stand. Just had to buy some longer bolts so that we could mount it. Let me show you what we got here. So pretty much the engine's for the most part apart. Pistons look like they're flat with just a tiny groove, I guess, to lower the compression a little bit. But this block doesn't actually look like it's in bad shape. It's just dirty because it's been exposed for so long. There you go. So I don't know whether they'll need to bore it or they can just get away with cleaning it up. Just tanking it and cleaning it. I'm not sure. We've got like a bunch of stuff that we need to take off, like the water pump housing, oil pan, fuel pump, all the accessories before we send it out to the machine shop. But I'm hoping that we can get that figured out in the next couple of days, and then send it off to the machine shop and have them basically inspect everything. Whatever needs to be replaced, pistons, whatever, we'll have them put that rotating assembly together so that when we get the engine back, we can just basically stick the water pump back on, the oil pan, and then drop it back in the engine bay. Still thinking about going with the fuel injection route. I think it sounds more and more appealing to me as I keep thinking about it. But we'll see what we have. Anyway, I think that's it, guys. I think what we're going to do next is we're probably going to take this Jensen and stuff it in that corner over there so that it's out of the way and we get the lift back, and then we'll work on this engine block and get it ready to go off to the machine shop. Alright, well, thanks very much, and keep checking back for updates. Thank you. Bye bye.